Right, you join me in the misery which is trying to change a clutch in this thing, which has been a total ball ache. You don't normally need to do this to change a clutch. I had to drop the whole engine down and gearbox. Ooh, here's the gearbox, which is now out, but I had a couple of bolts snap, and I'll just show you. Right, here we are. It's actually, I said 2. It's actually 3 bolts that have snapped to me. We had that one in there, which I have got out. Yes! This one is not moving at all. Bastard. This one is, again, it's not coming out either. It snapped like, it's got shorter and shorter and shorter. So, to you. But that's enough bolts to hold this thing on. It's kind of good that I've got left the little tab here. It would have been better if that one was a wee bit longer. But I'm just piecing it back together with these many bolts. I've got the 3 big ones that will be going in, that will hold off, another 2 here. I used to run my SR boxes held in with a couple less bolts, just to make it make it easier to get the box on and off, because the thing kept blowing up. So that'll be fine. Here's the new one. It's by RTS Automotive. Got a few people I know who run these, and they've given them really good reviews. Said they've been brilliant. It'll take a bit more power than the standard one, which is over there, goosed. A 5-paddle puck thing. Nice pressure plate on it. Doesn't have that weird thing the BMW ones have, where you've got the spring thing in it that you have to twist to set it. This one's also solid flywheel. No, the dual mass thing. Clutch is in, and I'm here, Driftland. So I've not done much to the car, if I'm honest, apart from the clutch in. A little bit of changes. Got some sticky wheels on the front. They're actually Nissans, and they've got a little PCD converter in there, if you can see that. But that's just because those were the stickiest wheels I had. About 16s as well, so they're a bit smaller. So just going to see what it's like. Look in the lineup. First proper skid in the 330 Compact. Things I haven't done. I didn't end up putting on the rear camber arms, so she's running on standard, and she's also running on standard hubs as well. So I'm quite interested to see how it skids. Will it skid good with standard lock? So today we're going to find out. Right, let's go play. Let's see what this thing can do. Give some people some space, right? Woo! She's quite twitchy. Not got the most amount of get up and go, I would have thought. Thought she should have more than this. Transition slow, oh god, I feel like I'm in 4th. That was really hard work. Right, I don't know if the diff's really long in it, because it's struggling. But if I keep between first and second, I'm alright. But Whew, that's hard work, very hard work. So I was finding it, I don't know if she's either geared really long or maybe I'm a bit down on power. So what I had on was I had some 17s with some like super fat like 65 profile tires on them. So I've gone to a set of 15, so should be a lot easier to spin the tires. I've also put pressures up to 35 psi, so fingers crossed the combination of that makes it, I can skid it. It's just you have to jump between first and second, and normally you should be able to be just sitting in second for this, but well, let's see what happens. She's got a bit more spin there. Oh, I'm actually getting a third. A little bit understeer. Oh, miles better. Got smoke. Oh, I've not got the lock I'm normally used to. I have to be a bit more gentle on my transitions. Oh, she won't take third through there, so we'll stick with second. Oh, clutch kick. This is fun. It's a lot more work than normal, but that's what I wanted. Oh, not enough luck. Well done, little car. That was amazing what that change was. Set 15s, bit more tyre pressure. She was flying. So just check my car over, making sure that everything is good. Check oil. Oil's good. It did need to put a tiny little bit in, but that's enough. Clutch and brake fluid all good. Maybe topping that up a touch. Fill this up a wee bit. So just to show you why I changed the tyres. So that is the 15 I was just running, and there's the 17. So that was a 215, 55, 17, and this was a 195, 55, 15. Just the size of the tyres way bigger, so it was made it a lot more force to spin that one. So that's why I could grab third at the end of the wall with this tyre. That one, you were nowhere near third. So shows you just by changing your wheel and tyre size, you can completely change how the wheel goes. Now, the other thing was changing tyre pressures, and like the tyres are different, you know, not the same make of tyre, but that, I don't think that made as much as a difference as the tyre size. So I'm now going to try 17. I just want to confirm that was definitely what it is. That one's not as wide, but just go and see how it behaves. Right, here we go. See what she's like with what. Get out of the way of some people, because I don't want to be playing with people. Have it to yourself, mate. Right, this is the transition. Better. Oh, now she grabs. Oh, she's just front ending her, not brilliant. clutch kicks to get her going. Kicking, so she gets a lot of grip from these 17s. It's like way more grip, right? Gotta preempt what's gonna happen. Kicking her to keep her up the revs. No hydro, yeah! Check the temperature, just perfect. Oh, that's good. That went well. Getting the 17s to work. Woo! Well, it's kind of bad news. There's like a really bad rattling noise coming from the engine. I don't know if it's top end or bottom end, but you gotta take a valve cover off and see what's going on. Fingers crossed, it might just be like a loose timing chain or something like that. Otherwise it's maybe fucked, which would suck. If it does that, then, well, I don't know what to do. I don't know. So, when you don't have your own car, your mates give you theirs. Like little 46 Compact. I have no engine it's got in it, but it's got one. And I'm gonna go have a play. So, the bottom, that lever's popped off, the little clip has gone, so we're just lubing it up, seeing if we can get it in there. Come on. You know there'll be a yellow flag by the time we get there. Down for the win!
See how the onesie makes it so much easier?
Yeah.
Just run that shallow line right up there and it's just...
This is an awesome little car, by the way. 2.8 it's got in it. And it just revs like the moon.